All right.
In addition to the tornado watch, which remains in effect for all of the Television 5 viewing area, the National Weather Service has now issued a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 11:45 this evening for persons in Caldwell, Lyon, Trigg, Hopkins, and Christian counties in western Kentucky. A severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell, Lyon, Trigg, Hopkins, and Christian counties in western Kentucky. This includes, of course, the Hopkinsville and Madisonville, Kentucky areas. The severe thunderstorm warning will remain in effect until 11:45. Color Scan 500 shows a line of intense thunderstorms moving through western Kentucky and into northwestern Middle Tennessee, with the heaviest thunderstorm activity right now near Cadiz, Kentucky, and Trigg County. And this line of thunderstorms is progressing eastward now at about 30 miles an hour. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell, Lyon, Trigg, Hopkins, and Christian counties in western Kentucky, and a tornado watch for all of the Television 5 viewing area until 2 tomorrow morning. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. Here's a weather update from Eyewitness Weather. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for the next 15 minutes until 11:45 for persons in Caldwell, Lyon, Trigg, Hopkins, and Christian counties in western Kentucky, and also until 11:45 for persons in Carroll County of West Tennessee. In addition to that, the tornado watch remains in effect for all of the Television 5 viewing area until 2 in the morning. Now, a look at Color Scan 500 shows a line of intense thunderstorms stretching along the Tennessee River, with the heaviest thunderstorms extending from near Hopkinsville, Kentucky, southwestward through Dover, Camden, and down through Parsons, Tennessee. And that line of thunderstorms is moving eastward at about 30 to 40 miles an hour. And at that rate, the heavy thunderstorms would be moving into the Nashville metro area between 12:30 and 1 o'clock in the morning. Again, a tornado watch in effect for all of our area until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. The National Weather Service.
I've lost your microphone for some reason.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, and that severe thunderstorm warning will be in effect until 12:30 this morning for persons in Stewart, Montgomery, Houston, and Humphreys County of Middle Tennessee. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 12:30 this morning for persons in Stewart, Montgomery, Houston, and Humphreys counties. And as you can see, a tornado watch remains in effect for all of the Television 5 viewing area until 2 o'clock this morning. Color Scan 500 at this time shows a line of intense thunderstorms moving across the Tennessee River into western Middle Tennessee. And that line of thunderstorms has had numerous reports of strong winds as it continues to sweep to the east at about 35 miles an hour. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. Here's an update on the weather situation from Eyewitness Weather. Tornado watch remains in effect until 2 o'clock for all of the Television 5 viewing area. In addition, a severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30 this morning for persons in the Tennessee counties of Stewart, Montgomery, Houston, and Humphreys counties. A severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30 there. Weather Vision 5 radar shows a line of thunderstorms, a squall line stretching from southern Indiana down to the Gulf Coast. That's being driven by a strong cold front that's still in eastern Arkansas. And even after the thunderstorms pass, we can expect strong winds of 30 to 40 miles an hour until the cold front moves through in the early morning hours. Memphis is still reporting winds in excess of 40 miles an hour out of the southwest. Color Scan 500 at this time shows that squall line of thunderstorms. It is now moving through southern Kentucky into the northwest corner of Middle Tennessee, with the strongest thunderstorms occurring from near Central City, Kentucky, southwestward to the Waverly area. And movement of this line appears to be eastward at about 35 miles an hour. And this line of intense thunderstorms will continue to move across Middle Tennessee in the next several hours. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30 for Stewart, Montgomery, Houston, and Humphreys counties, as well as a tornado watch in effect for all of the Television 5 viewing area until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. Here's a weather update from Weather Station 5. The tornado watch, of course, remains in effect until 2 this morning for all of the Television 5 viewing area. In addition, severe thunderstorm warning still in effect until 12:30 for those counties in northwest middle Tennessee, namely Montgomery, Stewart, Houston, and Humphreys counties. Severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30. And in Kentucky, a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio and Muhlenberg counties on the map here until 1 o'clock this morning. Color Scan 500 now shows part of a squall line of thunderstorms moving generally eastward at about 35 miles an hour. The line extends from Hardinsburg, Kentucky, southwestward through Guthrie, Kentucky, to near Clarksville, Tennessee, and then southwestward to near Linden, Tennessee. There have been some reports of trees and power lines down as this line of thunderstorms continues eastward at about 35 miles an hour. Again, a tornado watch until 2 o'clock in the morning, and severe thunderstorm warnings for Stewart, Montgomery, Houston, and Humphreys counties, and also in Ohio and Muhlenberg counties. That warning will be in effect until 1 o'clock in the morning. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. Here's a weather bulletin from Eyewitness Weather. The National Weather Service has now issued severe thunderstorm warnings in effect until 2 o'clock in the morning for persons in the Middle Tennessee counties of Humphreys, Hickman, Wayne, Perry, Lewis, Montgomery, and Dixon. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning until 2 o'clock in the morning for persons in Humphreys, Hickman, Wayne, Perry, Lewis, Montgomery, and Dixon counties. In addition, those counties in Kentucky, you see a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 1 for persons in Ohio and Muhlenberg counties. And a tornado watch in the yellow area includes all of the Television 5 viewing area. That will remain in effect until 2 in the morning. Color Scan 500 shows an intense line of thunderstorms that continues to move eastward at about 35 miles an hour with very heavy thunderstorms all along the line, and some reports of wind damage have been received as those thunderstorms move to the east. Again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for persons in Humphreys, Hickman, Wayne, Perry, Lewis, Montgomery, and Dixon counties of Middle Tennessee until 2 in the morning. Stay tuned to Television 5 for further weather information. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes. Here's a weather update from Eyewitness Weather. The tornado watch continues in effect for much of Middle Tennessee until 2 o'clock in the morning. However, the tornado watch has now been canceled for counties west of the Tennessee River. The line of heavy thunderstorms continues to move off to the east. Color Scan 500 now shows that the most intense thunderstorms are continuing right through the Nashville metropolitan area, extending from near Bowling Green, Kentucky, down through the western part of the Nashville metro area. And the line of thunderstorms continues to move off to the east at about 30 miles an hour. While the thunderstorms have apparently weakened somewhat, the strong gusty winds will continue even after the passage of the line of thunderstorms. Winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour will be quite common throughout Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky during all of the darkness hours. And while some minor damage could result from those winds, the thunderstorms, with their potential for severe weather, will be moving off to the east. I'm meteorologist Ron Howes.